Okay, we're having this question that is start mathematics and the past question. We have to solve this question. In this figure, the figure above, O is the center of the circle and line, segment PQ and PR are tangent to the circle at Q and R respectively. If the radius is 9 all over pi, what is the length of the minor QR? Okay, we want to know the length of the minor. Okay, this is minor QR. Okay, let's take a look at it. The first thing we have to know is that since here you say PQ and PR are tangent to the circle, it means the angle between what P, okay, between PQ and PQR is equal to what 90 degrees. Okay, and also the angle between what PRO is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, since it forms a tangent, and if you draw a line here, you're going to see it's forming as a right angle, and here you will have a 90 degrees at this point. Means this angle here is 90 and this angle also is 90 degrees. Okay, we know that this is a quadrilateral and the sum of the interior angle, sum of interior angle is equal to what 360 degrees. Now if you add up all the angles, you are going to have 360 degrees. Okay, that will be PQR plus PRO. Okay, this major. Okay, PQRO plus this major, that is QOR, because you have to take also this section QOR, the angle here at this section. Okay, this angle. Okay, because we have this angle, this one, and this one. We have 4 different angles from a quadrilateral, and the major QOR, okay, plus this other angle 50 degrees is equals to 360. Okay, what are we finding? This major, therefore M major QOR is equals to what 90 plus this. Okay, that will be 360 minus 50 plus 180. Okay, and I'm going to have what at this point 130 degrees. 3 points on your calculator. Okay, well, let's do it together. That will be 360 minus minus 180 degrees 0. That's 1 here. 16, that will be 8. 280 minus 50 will give 130. Okay, we have 130 degrees. Now we want to find the length of the minor QR. The length of the minor QR. We know already that the radius is what? R is equals to 9 on pi. Okay, to find this length of this minor, we are going to find the area of the circle, that is 2 pi radius. The area of this, that will be 2 pi radius times what? This length, that is M, the measure QOR, all over what? 360 degrees. That will be equal to what? 2 pi into 9 all over pi times what? This, that will be 130 all over 360. You're going to be having what? Counting this on your calculator, you're going to have this and this will cancel. You're going to have 18 here. Okay, and you're going to have 6.5 as this length of the major QR, and that is the answer. Equal to 6.5. Hope you enjoyed this video. Watch the next video.